And that looks like about it. Beautiful Sunday out here. You gonna do some scrapping? I got Miss Amy in like a 3/4 crew with me today, so she might be dictating some of the scoops here. I don't know. She says I should grab that. So, that's what I did. Anyway. Old man across the street's been wanting lids. How you doing?
I'm doing all right. I was wondering, are you guys at all interested in like big pieces of furniture or no?
I mainly pick up the scrap
stuff.
Yeah, scrap metal and just something I can use here and there. So.
Well, let me ask you this then. What about if I had a couple of bicycles? Would you be interested in those?
Yeah, any kind of metal I can take.
Okay. I need to get out of here shortly, but I could run back there and probably grab them and bring them out to the front if you would.
Yes, if you can't right now, I'll be circling around all day here. So.
Well, I'm taking off for the day.
For the day, okay, yeah, I can grab them.
All right.
I appreciate it. What's in this little tote? Nothing we want, I don't think. Okay. I'm gonna go get us some bicycles. Oh, this guy gonna give me some bicycles. Housekeeping.
I gotta grab the pipe.
Okay. Man, it all adds up. I appreciate it.
No problem. You have a good day.
Yep, you too. Junkyard surfboard. Something. Maybe we can fill the wagon. Somebody needs to call housekeeping. I have no idea. I have no idea. I'm good for making sideboards. You see I extended the rails? Hey there, camper, we found a hamper. There's so many leaf piles and stuff out here. I almost missed this one. It's Christmas in November. Kind of makes sense now, don't it? Nobody called housekeeping yet? tried to eat my thumb. Did you see that? Here we go. Okay. Housekeeping did an okay job. Do the tracks look okay? And the drawers look okay? Yeah. I've seen worse. Let this car sneak by here. Scoop. It's camouflage. Something. Something else. Hmm. No easy way to get that one in there. That should work. Spongy time. It's spongy time. Hey, look at the side of that wagon. Sorry, I ain't got any good jokes or nothing. Just the side of a wagon. It's hard to go all the way around with full rail. There we go. I'll ride with that. Oh, I got a bigger. Hey, shh. I got a resale boner. Look. Look. Look at that. Get you some of that. Get you some of that. Ooh. Oh my God. I gotta have Miss Amy come out and take my picture with it. Thumbnail action. Yeah. Get some. Look, they're all in there too. And the fencing and everything. This is their little gazebo. Or whatever you call it. Shit, I don't know. A manger. It's a fucking manger. Oh, Jesus. Mr. Scrappity, don't break it. Those go for $7,000. That's a good score, I'll tell you that. I don't know. Scoops. I don't know. It's a decent bid, I would imagine. That's some long threads. You remember that one part when I was carrying the dresser across the street, and then that other part when I had a dolly? I got a dolly. It's right there. I could have used that thing, but I didn't. Anyway. Something. Yep, with your back. Yeah. Hey, look, I found a microwave. The camera thingy keeps stopping. Maybe I'm hitting it. I don't know. Anyway, look. Hey, it's still got a tail on it. And it's got its extra utensil lot of them are like missing the little brushy thing and all that. Bread. I'm like a duck. Give me some bread. Ooh, this one smells funny. I don't like it. It's Yankee Candle's Man in Office smell. Not a pleasant smell. What's that? It's a mongoose. No brakes. Oh, yeah, sorry. I forgot about those guys. She's all like, hey, asshole. Don't smash those guys. What's that? Is that a light? Some kind of a light. And another bike. Hey, this one's got good brakes. We should have rode it. Hyper shit. That's Walmart brand, ain't it? I do believe. We really got to get that tail light cover situation addressed. That'll work for me. Does that work for you? Anyway, scoops. Oh y'all. Oh y'all. Don't you know? What's that? I don't need that. I'll take that. And that. And I'll come back after the other umbrella. It's wood and aluminum. It's dirty aluminum. We'll let the shred pile figure it out. Scoop it all and let the sheen sort it out. Something like that. Yeah, you gotta be in a seat. I don't think we squished Jesus yet. Wait. We almost missed that one. This is right here in front of me. We'll take that too. Have that for myself. Yeah. Yeah. Something.
Aiden, climb over there on Dad's side.
And we're back.
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 Careful, let the door shut on you.
Go open that back door for me.
Hold on. Careful, dude. Dude, my dude. Larry. Changed the oil the other day in both the wagons. I've dribbled a little bit.
Hold the door open.
And we're back. Did I say that already? Oh, good. God, that hurt not to. Oh, stop. Be so rough all the time. Going in. Mom's got the pizza. What is that? Oh, charger cord? Charger cord. You got anything plugged in back there? No. Oh, and we're back. Did I say that already? Did I say, and we're back? Because we're back. I don't know. We got a Dyson and some blow molds with the boxes and everything, and the big manger. It's a manger, man. And I got some pizza too, so I'm gonna go and eat some pizza. Anyway, we'll see you when we see you. Did you guys have fun? Got rid of a lot of stuff. Still got a chandelier and a wagon and some Rizalin. Don't got that no more. Bonus, you thought it was over footage. Anyway, let me click the switch on that little deal there. Hey, who's the Manger Ranger? Anyway, I have no idea. It's probably like the Lone Ranger. Probably rides one of them sheeps or something. Anyway, yeah. That's a good deal, huh? And it's got the box, man. The box, man. You never see the box, man. But anyway, that's it. Lights out for baby Jesus. And it's almost lights out for us. We'll see you tomorrow. Anyway, did you guys have fun? I think I had fun. Scores.